What about homegirl? What about homegirl in the middle? Bitch, hold on, hold on. Bitch, look at me. Get your ass out of there. Not you. She know who I'm talking to. The hell you doing? The hell is you doing? Good. Okay, how about this? How about this? This the ultimate test, okay? Now I got 32 flavors.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they done took her. Oh, they done sit and brainwash my good girl. Add some time, please. I got some fried chicken and some Friday reruns over here, girl. If you come on back home.
I'm back.
The wig, the installation. Oh my God. What's going on? Honey. Honey, let's talk. Where y'all from?
Louisiana.
So how'd y'all meet the colored girl?
From school.
Oh, okay. School friends. What grade are y'all in?
We're in college. I'm in college.
Oh, wow. So what made y'all want to be friends with her, the brown one?
She's sweet and nice.
She seems like a wonderful bundle of joy. Hey, sweetheart, where'd you get your hair?
Thank you. I ordered it from Amazon.
Yes. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, girl. Oh, fuck. Okay, girl.